Alright, welcome to my class. Today, let's consider word problems leading to simultaneous equations. In our previous class on simultaneous equations, we have considered how to solve simultaneous equations using elimination method and substitution method. Today, let's consider word problems on simultaneous equations. Solution. From this question, we are given that the perimeter of a rectangle is 50 cm. Its length is 5 cm more than the width. Find the dimensions. Now, this is a rectangle. Okay, let's say here is our length, here is our width or perimeter. P is equal to 2 brackets L plus W, because here also is L, here is also width 2W and 2L. So P is 2 brackets L plus W is equal to, the length is 5 cm more than the width. L is equal to W plus 5. Okay, so this is our length. P equals 2 brackets L plus W. Let's take it as equation 1. Then L equals W plus 5. Let's take it as equation 2. But we have here that the perimeter is 50. Okay, P equals 50 cm. Alright, so from 1, now substituting, you have 50, which is this P, is equal to 2 brackets. Now, instead of writing L, we are going to substitute the value of L. What is the value of L? The value of L is W plus 5. Then plus this W here. Then close it. Simplifying further, we are going to have here 50 is equals to 2 times W is 2W. 2 times 5 is 10. And 2 times W is 2W. Then when we collect like terms, we have here 50 minus this 10 is crossing is equal to 2W plus 2W. So that 50 minus 10 is 40 is equals to 4W. So to find W, we are going to divide through by 4. So that you have here 40 divided by 4 is equals to 4W divided by 4. This can cancel and this can cancel. You have 10. Therefore, W is equals to 10 cm, which is the width. Okay, so width or breadth is 10 cm. Now we can easily calculate the length now. Now L is W plus 5, but this W is 10. Therefore, L is 10 plus 5, which is 15 cm. Good. So the length is 15 cm, while the width is 10 cm. Alright. Example 2. If 90 passengers paid a total of 60,000 naira, how many adults and children were on the bus? Okay, a bus fare for adults is 800, while children is 500. 90 passengers paid is almost 60,000. We are required to calculate the number of adults and children. Solution: let x be the number of adults. Let y be the number children. Okay, so sum that is total sum, or we have x plus y should give us 90. Let's call it equation 1. If 90 passengers paid, so here we have 800 for adults, so 800x plus here is 500 y, 500 y is equal to 60,000 naira. You can call here total fare paid. Okay, good. Now here we can divide by 100 plus 5y is equal to 60 divided by 100, you have 600. 60,000 divided by 100, you have 600. This is our equation 2. From 1, let x be 900, be 90 minus y, that is this y crossing equality sign. Let's call it equation 3. So substitute 3 into 2. That is, substitute equation 3 into equation 2. I can have, this is our equation 2, 8x plus 5, what is, this is x now, plus 5y is 600. So we can have 90 minus y is equal to 600. 8 times 90, you have 720. 8 times minus y, this is minus 8y, plus 5y equals to 600. Okay, collect like terms. You have minus 8y plus 5y. This will give us minus 3y. So is equals to 600 minus 720. So you have 120 here. Okay, so minus 3y is equals to minus 120, because 600 minus 720 will give you minus 120. Now divide through by minus 3, so that this minus 3 can cancel. 120 can divide minus 120. Minus 120 can divide minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to 40 passengers. Okay. Now, y, which is children, is equal to 40 persons. Dot is x, which is 90 minus y. So that, therefore, x is 90 minus 40, which is 50 persons. So children is 40, whereas adult, which is x, is 50 persons. Alright, that is how you can solve this problem. Okay, now example 3. Example 3, I have here the sum of two numbers. The sum of two numbers is 35. Twice their difference is 18. Questions is find the numbers. So find the numbers. Okay. Solution. Sum is addition. Sum is addition, okay? While difference is subtraction. Good. Now let the numbers be x and y. So this sum is x plus y equals 35. This is equation 1. Similarly, twice means 2 brackets. Their difference is x minus y equals 18. So here already 2 can divide. 2 can divide itself here. 2 can divide here. So you have x minus y is equals to 9. This is our equation 2. So from x is equal to 35 minus y. Let's call it equation 3. Now put equation 3 into 2. Okay? Put equation 3 into 2 so that you have x is 35 minus y. So I will write 35 minus y for x. Then minus this x. So collect like terms, I will have 35 minus y is minus 2y equals to 9. Okay? So this is 35 minus 2y equals to 9. So that minus 2y is equals to 9 minus 35. And minus 2y will give us 9 minus 35 is minus 26. Divide by minus 2. So you have minus 2y over minus 2 is minus 26 over minus 2. This can cancel, this can go. Therefore, y is equals to 13. Now, put y equals 13 in equation 3. So we have here x is equals to 35 minus y as our equation 3. But y is 13. So x will be 35 minus this 13. X is equals to, x is 22. Thus, x is equals to 22 and y is equals to 13. You can still check, okay? Check 13 plus 22. It will still give you 35, okay? Alright, this is how you can easily solve word problems on simultaneous equation, okay? For more, check my previous lessons on the introduction of simultaneous equations using elimination method and substitution method. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Ask your question for more clarifications.